I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Halal Guys white sauce. First, gather your ingredients. You will need 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise and 1/2 cup of plain Greek yogurt for the creamy base. Also, prepare 2 tablespoons of white vinegar and 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and a little cold water for consistency. Now, let's start mixing. In a medium-sized bowl, combine your 1 cup of mayonnaise with the 1/2 cup of plain Greek yogurt. Use a whisk to thoroughly blend these 2 ingredients until the mixture is completely smooth and uniform. This creamy base is absolutely crucial for achieving that signature rich texture of the authentic Halal Guys white sauce. Next, it's time to add the vibrant flavors. Pour in 2 tablespoons of white vinegar and 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Then, sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Stir all these ingredients together very well. Make sure everything is thoroughly combined so that every spoonful of your sauce bursts with balanced flavor. For the perfect consistency, gradually add 1 to 2 tablespoons of cold water, mixing until it reaches your desired thickness. Taste the sauce and adjust any seasonings, perhaps a pinch more salt or pepper, to suit your preference. Finally, cover the bowl and chill the sauce in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.